You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these name and more confusing name from the Greek mythology, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Mnemosyne. Yes, the first M is silent, and stress on the second syllable. On the ma syllable, the Greek goddess of memory and mother of the muses by Zeus. Mnemosyne. Mnemosyne. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.